Welcome to AlphaCars Motorcycles. Today I have a very exciting Mercedes Sprinter to share with you. This is a 2020 Sprinter 2500 high roof 4x4, and it's had an Overland camper conversion. Initially, over $300,000 was invested in building this van, including ordering the van itself. It only has one previous owner who did this awesome build. And in this quick video, we're gonna do a condition overview. We're gonna walk around it. We've got some limited lighting today at the end of the day. So we're just gonna do this initial video to show you around the van. If you wanna learn about all of the exciting things this van has, reference our listing on our website, alphacars.com. The description will have a link for you to click on, alphacars.com, check it out. There'll be the full detailed description on all the parts and equipment in this Sprinter, as well as the listing price if it is still available. First, to whet our appetites, let's just take a quick peek in the interior of the van. I've got the little handheld light to help with the lighting quick just as we peek, and ultra high quality components. The owner really spared no expense. He only wanted to use what was the best on the market. All of these cabinets as well, there's sort of a modular system on the walls, so these can be moved around as you would like. Has the roof AC unit there. Awesome workspace here with a fridge. There's the sink with the running water. This is a shower that comes down, and there's even a freezer under part of this I can pick up. Check that out. Additional freezer there. And it does have the awesome interior color as well. The upholstery on the seats is sort of that nice coffee color. But first, let's just go around the exterior of the van and I'll make some comments. We can see the off-road front bumper, which these CA tuned bumpers, these can be hard to get. They're also very expensive. You'll see with this van, no expense was spared. Really everything is the best you can get for it. But yeah, the plastics on the van have a deep luster. The paint looks great with this sort of desert sand color, really cool. And yeah, some awesome BF Goodrich all-terrain tires with those black Rhino alloys, ultra tough looking. And this van also has very sophisticated suspension, which you can read about. You can see on our online listing. Like I said, all these parts that were put on it, you can see on the online listing. And going down the side of the van, part of the plastic has been bed liner, had bed liner applied to it. So for this middle section, it's all bed liner. And right here, it's all the tough bed liner, so that will do a great job not fading and protecting the plastic. And yeah, now at the back, check out the tow receiver there. Really nice condition. There's a little Honda generator under here. You can actually view a picture of that, as well as a whole bunch of professional images on this van you can view on the online listing. But you can see the metal accessories back here. They're in excellent shape. And let's see, quickly I'll open this one to show you in here. You can see the thick rubber weather seal. And you can tell, you know, some things were put in there. This van was used lightly. It only has about 60,000 miles, I believe 59,000 at the date of this video. So really, I would say low mileage for a V6 turbo diesel, camper. Most of the time, people really load the miles on these vans, and this one only having about 60,000. I mean, that's pretty good in my book, in my opinion. You can see the rooftop unit there, some solar panels, and this huge rack. I believe you can see how much this rack costed on our online listing. High quality. It's got the big electric awning. There we go, the Nomadic awning company. And this thing's insane how far this comes out. It's all electric, super cool. And this van has the full floodlighting around this side as well, as you can see there. Now as we make our way down the ladder, we're kind of back at this side of the van. The underbody's in really nice condition as well. Let me get the little light and we'll peek under here. Any little bits of orange is really superficial corrosion, if you can even find any. This van is just, it's really, really clean underneath. It's got all of the off-road protection Bunch of skid plates. Ultra cool stuff. And like I said, that sophisticated suspension there. And I believe that company, you have to send them the specs of your van, like the corner weights and everything, and they build it out for your van. So you can see the big off-road lighting on the front of that roof rack there. Let's just take a peek at the seating surfaces up front and just a little bit of the interior. Door cards are in nice shape, a little scuff on the plastic there. And I love the interior color. Awesome, and this seat also is on the swivel. So that can swivel around and add some space inside the van for the seating. And now here's the driver's seat. The lightest little bit of wear from getting in and out just on that little piping edge there. But other than that, the seat looks awesome. Rubber floors, that all looks excellent. And there is the winch controller right there. And now let's take a peek just in the back of the Sprinter here. And we can see there's some of the electrical control panels back here. And you've got the full Rockford Fosgate custom audio system. You can see some component speakers back there. And I believe there's some 6x9s firing down on the front seats over there. And yeah, you can see every corner of this van's finished out nicely. And this also has the custom inlaid floor right here. This, I forget what it's called, but I believe it kind of replaces the spare tire well, and it's just additional storage for exciting things. And yeah, you can see all the high quality cabinets and the frame for, or the platform for the mattress, which of course you can move around as you want. So that's just been the quick condition overview, quick walk around of the Sprinter here. This has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Looks like a very nice Porsche Macan just showed up, and they've parked right out front. But if you are interested in this Sprinter, and it is still available, you can reach out to us via our website or a phone call, 978-263-9000. Make sure to give the listing on our website a full read, and get yourself fully informed, and then reach out to us if you have any additional questions or you'd like to move forward with the purchase of the van. We've got all of the detailed information for you to take in on that online listing. So once again, this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. I want to thank you for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe so then you don't miss out on future awesome vehicles like this Sprinter.